Good morning everybody, Richard STRANG from the UK. This morning's video, I'm just going to go over Binance.com, how you use the site, how you buy cryptos, how you do trading to get those altcoins. It's just a general overview. I think it's a brilliant site for beginners, very trustworthy, excellent reputation, it's got low fees. So I'm just going to go through it. So last year they upgraded the site and now it's much better. You know, it covers all aspects of cryptos. It's easy to deposit using your debit card, where before you had to sort of go on Coinbase and buy, then transfer your Bitcoin, for example, from Coinbase to Binance before you could get the altcoins. But obviously now you can actually buy on it. It's an all-in-one site. So I joined Binance in October 2017. It was actually launched in July 2017. Obviously, there's been a lot of change in the law, especially in America, where Binance.com cannot operate. So they had to create Binance.us, where it's obviously very limited now amount of coins on there. They had to do it basically to stay within America's strict laws. Cryptos in America are regulated as commodities rather than currencies. So unfortunately, in America, they do not have the access to all the coins we do. Unfortunately, that's the way it goes. But what I like about Binance, it covers many different currencies, languages. You can see there all the different languages. It's obviously helped many people around the world. So to join Binance.com, obviously the link's below. It's entirely up to you whether you use my link. What I've done, I've actually set the referral link where we split it straight down the middle, which is something I do. But make sure, if you don't want to use my link, that's totally fine. But make sure you do join Binance.com and not a phishing site. I know there's rumours quite a few phishing sites where they'll have a few word .binance.com. So make sure you join https:/binance.com, okay? And then bookmark the site so you never ever accidentally go on a phishing site. So basically, once you've signed up, you register in the top right hand corner, you sign up, join, do a very strong password, as I've said before, set your 2FA, very important. And when setting up the Google 2FA, they'll give you a key number. Now, it's very important to store that very safe. I've mentioned before, fireproof safe. Just store it very safely. So if you lost your phone, for example, it's very easy when you're dealing with Binance support that you have the key. Otherwise, it's a long, drawn-out process to reset it, because obviously they're worried about scammers, etc. So it's very important that when you set up the 2FA, you keep the key. What I also like about Binance, I must remember to say this, is that they did have a situation last year where some Bitcoin got hacked, but they do have a thing called SAFU, which is the Secure Asset Fund for Users, and it's an emergency reserve is held to protect invested assets. So this fund is used to pay back any funds which are lost through a hacking, which is obviously fantastic, gives you more reassurance about the site. So just make sure that you keep everything secure. I've held coins on Binance since 2017, so I have strong belief in Binance. I think it's a fantastic site. It's just grown and grown unbelievably now. So once you've signed up, you've verified your email, you're all secure, go on this top left hand bit here. It says buy crypto. So you've got the options: credit, debit card, local vendors, bank transfer, or third party payment. Now, for instance, I've heard of Simplex, but I haven't heard of Coin or Pax or Bankster. So with third party payment, you really need to do your own due diligence. But I would personally just use a credit or debit card, which I've done here. Now it's very easy. You basically just put in here, say I wanted to buy $50 worth, which will give me 0.005 of Bitcoin, and then you just buy BTC. It sends you to the other page. Now, if you've already got cards stored, it's a very quick process. It's the next page, and then you've got it. Very easy, very straightforward. You can add numerous cards. They don't accept PayPal. I'm sure they will one day, like Coinbase. But anyway, so you can buy there, just use your debit card. So just going through the site, I like this bit now, the Binance info side of it. Now, it gives here the coins, and you go through it. This is basically coin market cap. This is the top coins, and you go through each one, and you can click on each coin, and it tells you about that coin, what they are, etc. So, and it say it's the same as basically coin market cap, so it's fantastic. So you can get the majority of coins on Binance. I'll go through that in a minute. So once you've actually bought, so you've gone on there, you've bought some crypto, Bitcoin, for example. See, you can buy these. So you go on here. This is the old style layout of their exchange. This is like the basic exchange, should we say. This is the old style marketing. So for instance, on the top right here, you've got basically these coins. So BNB, Binance Coin, if you hold some of that, you can buy all these coins with a BNB. Okay. BTC, obviously the daddy, you can buy pretty much every coin. Okay. And then Ethereum, you can buy not as many, but still a lot. These are just the different trading pairs. And obviously you've got Tron, you've got Ripple. Now, for example, let's buy my favourite. Okay, let's go ADA. So BTC, tap in here, ADA, hit there. You scroll down here now. Basically, scroll down here with my Bitcoin available, 0.005. How much of that do I want to use to buy ADA? 25, 50%, 75, 100. So let's buy 50. Okay, so it'll give me 484 ADA. You know, there's my #1 coin. So let's just buy that. You've got various here market stop limits. Depends how you want to buy it. There's many options. I say this is the old style buying basically altcoins. So just do that. Buy ADA. Limit buy order created. 484 ADA bought by using BTC. It's gone straight through. Sometimes you get at the bottom here open orders where the trade is still to happen, but obviously ADA's traded a lot and it's gone straight through. I could also then sell that ADA if I wanted to. On the right hand side, again, you just hit 100%, 486. I've held ADA on Binance for a long time, but now I just basically hold it on my dad's wallet. So that's just my preference. So that's the old style. They've now even basically created a really basic way of buying cryptos. If you go here, it says there like way to do it, basic. Now this is the basic. So you've got here BTC. Now what do I want to buy? Convert BTC. Let's buy another one of my favourites. Let's scroll down. Let's buy a bit of Tezos. So just do that. And then you just confirm that. Okay, that's how easy it is. That's obviously the basic and the quickest way. Okay, that's how you do it. So it's very, very easy. That's how you basically convert and get your altcoins, your favourite ones. Now, people always say to me, what's your favourites? You know, well, I've mentioned many times, I have many, many favourites. Just scrolling through this list here, look, ADA, Cardano, Aeon, Algo, Algorand, fantastic. You know, I used to hold ARK, I don't anymore. Atom, Cosmos, fantastic. Basic Attention Tokens, great project. BNB is obviously huge because the Binance Coin. We'll go through that later, how that's progressed. There's one there, Chili's. I don't hold any. I know it's had a lot of hype lately. Coty's another one. A lot of hype at the moment. Dash is an old favourite. Anyway, going through that. So there's many, many altcoins. All the big ones are certainly on here. So depends if you want to trade BTC to your favourite altcoin or BNB or Ethereum. But it's very straightforward now. Anyone want any clarification? I've done this before with people where they still weren't sure. So what I did, I sent them screenshots step by step with a bubble saying click here, etc. And people found that really easy. So if you want me to send you the screenshots, just email me, message me below. Email is info@cryptostrang.com. I can send you those, it's not a problem. So you go on there, and you go on your wallet side. And this is all my holdings I actually hold. You can show your holdings. There it is there. This is what I currently hold. I say most of mine I hold on private wallets, but I still hold a lot on exchanges. So you can see the ones I actually hold. All coins I've mentioned before. So there you go. It's pretty straightforward now. If you sort of scroll down here, this is all different, like different wallets you get. Now I don't get involved with margin wallets or futures wallets. Again, people might want to do that. I'm not a huge trader. I prefer just to hold, to be honest. But what I like about this is distribution history. Now you get this if you hold certain coins on there, they give you rewards. It's called staking. Now if I go here, so if you hold these coins on Binance, they give you rewards just for holding them on there. Now, as you can see there, I hold Algorand. So estimated annual yield is 8 to 10%. Minimum hold is only 2 Algorand. And you've got them all there. Atom, they do staking. You know, I don't hold my Atom on Binance, hold it elsewhere. However, perhaps I should move it here because I'd get some staking rewards. But they've got Qtum on here, Komodo, VE Chain, Ontology, a lot of my favourites. Elrond is another one I've recently got into. It's Stellar. So it's a great way of just holding coins and getting some, you know, a bonus basically for holding them on there. So Binance thing is the all-in-one site and I absolutely love it. But when you sort of go back here, I was really talking about the different coins where you can click on them. They also like the research But if you click on there, it shows all the companies they use to research the sites. Fantastic, huge companies. They provide in-depth analysis and data-driven insights of digital assets and the overall crypto market by generating unbiased institutional-grade research reports. So then you go on the ratings, and this is quite an eye-opener, some of these, because I've recently got into 4chain Rune. It's only giving it 3.5. MPX, PundiX, I haven't held that for over a year, but you know, I thought that would be higher than that. You just go through it. Like Raven Coin, another one of my favourites, still 3.5. Fantastic. Coty, the latest hype one. HBAR, a lot of people have been talking about that lately. Beam, I've mentioned before. Dash, obviously one of my favourites. You scroll through Kyber Network, absolutely love that, you know. And it's a great outlet, and it gives you an expert's view basically of these coins and these products. So I think that's really good. And I say the site now, where before it was quite a basic site, now the fact you can buy cryptos with FIAT debit card, and it's got all these ratings and research for it, every type of staking, trading you could ever want. It really is the all-in-one site, and that's why I strongly believe in Binance. I love it now. The Binance Coin itself, BNB, is ranked number 8. You know, the market cap is absolutely huge, nearly 2.5 billion. And I remember when it was launched, and I did hold quite a bit of Binance, and I did take some profits when it went to, like, I think it was about $18. But its all-time high last June was nearly $40. I've actually done videos before on the Binance Coin. Its all-time low was just 9 cents, and June last year was nearly $40 each. Every year they burn BNB, which obviously affects the price. You can see the circulating supply at the moment. It's a lot, 155 million. Total supply will only ever be 187. And Binance Coin now has been used outside Binance now. I know they bought an Australian travel company where you could buy travel BNB. It's now on other exchanges, even BNB. You know, it really is. And I think Binance Coin was the first real sort of coin used by a token exchange, you know, by an exchange used as a token, and it just blew up. And that's when KU Coin bought out theirs, and since then Huobi, etc., have all bought out their own tokens. So they've seen what Binance did. To me, Binance was the first sort of exchange which really showed how great their own tokens could be. Now, like with Binance, they prefer you to use Binance for trading. Obviously, it's slightly cheaper because I want people to use it for general usage every day. So the Binance Coin, at the moment, it's nearly $16. All-time high before was $40. And the way Binance is going, then you can really see why this will stay in the top 10. In my opinion, it will go up in price a lot. It's not personal opinion. So what I'll say, if anyone wants help with getting involved with Binance, getting started, let me know. I'll say there, very easy to buy your first crypto on here. Just join the link below. I'll help you any way I can. It really is sort of, every part about the site is fantastic. So I'm here to help. Just message me below. Reach out to me on one of the social media contacts. Lovely to hear from you guys. Thanks very much. Bye.